Spending $50 to $60 on a calculator in 2025? I know, but if you're in finance, this Texas Instruments BA2 Plus Professional might be the smartest investment you never knew you needed. Let me break down if it's actually worth it. So here's the deal. This isn't your regular calculator. The BA2 Plus Professional is designed specifically for students and business professionals who need to crunch serious financial numbers. But here's what caught my attention. The professional version has 5 key features that the regular BA2 Plus doesn't have: 4 additional cash flow worksheet variables and 1 bond worksheet variable. Sounds boring, but trust me, it matters when you're dealing with complex calculations. This thing handles NPV and IRR calculations for uneven cash flows, plus time value of money problems like pension calculations, loans, and mortgages. Basically, if you're in finance school or working with investments, this calculator speaks your language. It also does 6 different types of depreciation calculations, which sounds super nerdy until you realize you're not spending hours doing this stuff manually. Here's where it gets interesting, though. Finance professionals actually recommend the professional version over the basic model because it includes functions like discounted payback. But some experts argue the regular BA2 Plus is more than enough for most people, even CFA candidates. Let's talk about what you actually get for your money. It comes with a protective pouch, quick reference card, lithium battery, and rubber feet to prevent sliding. The battery situation is solid. It runs on a 2032 lithium battery and automatically switches off to save power. But here's the honest truth. Some users say it has a plastic feel and made in China type of feeling. It's functional, not fancy. Bottom line, buy the professional version if you're serious about finance work and need those extra cash flow functions. The price difference is minimal and it has a bigger screen and easier battery replacement. Skip it if you're just doing basic math or occasional financial calculations. Your phone probably works fine. Who needs this? Finance students, CFA candidates, investment professionals, loan officers, real estate agents doing serious number crunching. Drop a comment. Are you team calculator or team smartphone app? And if this helped you decide, hit that like button.